Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is May the 22nd and we're looking at the chart of SPY. So this is the ETF on the S&P 500. We can see a 60 minutes time frame. We ended with 2 over here at 499.7 and currently within the wave 3. Now seems to me that it is still extending higher as we speak, and we've got like almost like a triple top here, and looks like we're gonna extend higher still, and that extension higher is still considered to be part of the same wave 3 in the black degree here. Okay, so we're looking for wave 3 to complete soon, and then from there we should be getting a pullback in the wave 4 before it extends higher again. So obviously I think at this point it is kind of risky to keep chasing, even though it can still extend a little bit. But again, I think we are getting ready for wave 3 to complete, and then obviously because this is bullish, we're not going to try to pick the top and try to short sell or anything like that. But what we like is basically the long side, the right side is green. So if we finally see that there is pullback, then I think we can consider getting into the long side once the pullback has already started. Now zooming out on the 4 hour. Okay, so I'm gonna put here this wave 2 into the 4 hour time frame, which is right here. So again, as we saw earlier, we are looking for a little bit more upside before it finishes with 3, right? And then we should be getting wave 4 followed by more upside. So if this wave 2, then this should be your wave 1 here, right? Now the other thing here is so let me show you a couple of possible options. This is one possible path that we are calling, which is still within the wave 3. If you project the extension from the lows, then we are already actually above 1.618. Technically wave 3 is at usually 1.61. Sometimes can be more, like in this case, right? Now the other possible option here, guys, is that we already end the 3 and the 4 right here, and then we're going to be ending 5. Now if that's the case, now if this alternate plays out, and once we end the 5, the pullback is not going to be a wave for pullback, right? The pullback is not going to be a wave for pullback. The pullback is going to be correcting this entire rally. So we're going to be maybe seeing something like 1, 2, 3, and then higher. So the pullback is going to be a bigger degree pullback. So that will be the alternate scenarios over there. But if you look at the proportion of the pullback so far, it looks like this is not entirely proportional to this 1 and 2 here. So it seems to suggest that we are still most likely still within the wave 3 for now, which then means that we can still see one more leg higher after the wave 4 pullback before we finish this entire cycle, and then see a bigger 3 pullback afterwards. All right, so that is the idea, guys. And then the alternate, again, the less desirable alternate will be the 3 and 4 ended here, and then the pullback is not going to be with 4, and it's going to be an entire correction of this before we rally higher again. All right, so that's the idea here, guys, for today. And as always, if you want to get more updates on SPY or any other indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.